You are going to love the 2005 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, running boards, four-wheel drive, heated seats, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.